There's a simple way to know if you have a true friend. Isabella Lendi described it in the best way. True friendship withstands time, distance, and silence. If you've got these three things, you gotta ride or die. Number 1, a true friend is a friend for life. You both grow, evolve, but you still rock with each other through it all. Number 2, you don't gotta be in the same place. Real friends, they support you even from a distance. Maybe you move away, maybe they start chasing different dreams, and that's all good. You want them to win just as much as you want to win yourself. And number 3, probably the most important one, you don't need to be talking every day. Sometimes you'll go weeks, months without chopping it up. But when you do, it's like you never missed a beat. If you got friends like that in your life, send this video to them to let them know how special they are to you.